believe it or not, my tyres are out of date now, and as you can see there's still loads of tread left on it, general number red letters. But if you go down here, that is 0816, so that's the 8th week 2016. That essentially means they're over 5 years old, which means to buy they're out of date, so I need to go and buy some new ones. It's mainly because it's really hot. Stating obvious, it's really hot, and even, I mean, these are bulletproof. Red letters are bulletproof. They're gone forever, but law's the law, isn't it? Law is the law. So yeah. So next job is tyres. I'll probably be swapping the wheels. My mate Carlin's gonna buy these off me, and then so I'm gonna buy some new wheels and some new tyres. Probably BF Goodrich. I've never actually owned any BF Goodrich tyres, so it'll be a first time. But yeah, my out of date 5-year-old tyres.